Factories, the heart of industrial power. But imagine one so massive, so astonishingly vast, that it holds the title of the largest building in the world. Our story begins in the 1960s. Boeing, the aviation giant, was dreaming of something revolutionary. They wanted to build a passenger aircraft unlike anything before. The Boeing 747, the world's first jumbo jet. This plane would be 2.5 times larger than any existing aircraft. But with a plane so big came a new challenge. Where could they build it? Boeing's chairman at the time, William M. Allen, and his team began searching for a massive open space near Seattle. About 35 kilometers north, they found the perfect spot, an old World War II airfield in a place called Everett. There they would create not just a factory, but a city within a city. Railways were built to carry materials, timber and steel. And in 1967, after just 1 year of construction, the Boeing Everett factory officially opened its doors. This gigantic structure soon entered the Guinness World Records as the largest building on Earth by volume, holding a mind-blowing 472 million cubic feet, or 13.3 million cubic meters of space. To give you an idea, if you placed the entire Disneyland inside this building, you'd still have 12 acres of free space left. Inside this megafactory, it's not just machines and airplanes, it's a living ecosystem. There's a fire station, a medical clinic, a gym, a daycare center, even a bank and a water reservoir. Over 36,000 workers keep the heart of this giant alive, working in 3 shifts, day and night. To move around the massive floor, there are 1,300 bicycles and tricycles. And beneath the ground, 2 33-mile-long tunnels help workers travel quickly between sections. From this one factory have come over 5,000 wide-body aircraft, including the legendary Boeing 747, 767, 777, and the 787 Dreamliner. Each plane moves slowly along the assembly line, just 1.5 inches per minute, while 26 overhead cranes glide across 50 kilometers of track, carrying gigantic aircraft parts with precision. The doors themselves are feats of engineering, some 82 feet high and 350 feet wide, and they open completely with just the press of a button. No air conditioning is needed here. In summer, huge fans pull in fresh air when the doors open, and in winter, 1 million overhead lights keep the building warm. In fact, this building is so enormous that during its early days, workers claimed clouds formed beneath its roof due to trapped heat and moisture. Whether myth or truth, it perfectly symbolizes the unbelievable scale of this place. Today, the Everett factory stands as a monument to human ambition. Every year, thousands of visitors, including world leaders, CEOs, and aviation enthusiasts, come here to witness how imagination, creativity, and teamwork can literally make humans fly. Because this isn't just a story about machines or metal, it's a story of human genius reaching for the skies.